What's up, guys? So, in celebration of Black History Month, I'll be taking a different approach in this video. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Black cybersecurity icons, leaders in the cybersecurity field, people who have influenced, the community and are still doing so actively. Now, in the cybersecurity field, there are quite a number of them. There are quite a number of Black cybersecurity professionals who are doing immense, very good work. Okay, but I'll be focusing on very, very few. Now, I want this video to be short, and also, this few, in my opinion, they are not just very good at what they do, but they're also giving back, giving back in a very immense way. Okay, now the list is quite long. Okay, so that's why I'm just going to be focusing on just very few. Okay, so the first person I'm going to be talking about is known as David Jackson, and this is his YouTube page. Now, David Jackson, he's a United States Air Force veteran, host of InfoSec Unplugged and Hacker Valley Blue. He's a security engineer and a pen tester. So that's his page over here, Alpha Cybersecurity. You can also check him up on LinkedIn to connect with him, okay? And you can just come here, subscribe, and watch some of his videos. And I assure you, you're not going to regret it. Now, I got to know about him on through his Advance of Cyber Try Hack Me videos, and they are quite. There's a thing or two that you pick from there, so that's him over there, and his videos, he's quite clear, and straight to the point. He doesn't try to beat around the bush and everything like that. So, I would advise you to come over here, Alpha Cybersecurity, subscribe, watch some of his videos, and come back and thank me later. So the second person I'll be talking about, his name is Steven Asamoah, and that's his page over here, Steven Asamoah. This is his page. I would also advise you to come here, subscribe. Now, if red teaming is your thing, and I mean, I don't think it gets better than this. Like, he's a red teaming expert, and the way he breaks it down, right? The way he breaks it down, you will not regret coming here. So you can also come here, watch his ethical hacking course, red teaming for beginners video. It's over 7 hours, over 7 hours. So there's a lot of content for you, and he doesn't just like the way he breaks it down for you, there is no way like you will not get it. So if red teaming is your thing, I would definitely like this is something I would definitely recommend you. It's doing awesome for the community. Okay, his name is Steven Asamoah. If you want to see how he looks like and everything out there, you can go to LinkedIn and try to connect with him on LinkedIn. Okay, Steven Asamoah. Now the third person I'm going to talk about is a lady, right? She's a Nigerian lady. Her name is Confidence Tavli. Now, Confidence Tavli, she's the founder, CyberSafe Foundation. CyberSafe Foundation is an NGO dedicated to improving inclusive and safe digital access in Africa. She's a cybersecurity evangelist and an Obama Foundation Africa leader. So according to this article, as you can see, it says Confidence Tavli becomes first Nigerian finalist of Cybersecurity Woman of the Year award. If I go a bit further down, you see what it says. Confidence is not just the first Nigerian to become a finalist, but also the first African to be a finalist in her category, the Cybersecurity People's Choice Award. Okay? Now, she's doing awesome for the community. If I come over here, this is the website for her CyberSafe Foundation. And if you guys are up for it, I would also like you guys to come here, donate a little something to her cause. You can also check some of the amazing work she's doing, in the African community. And if I come here, this is her YouTube page, the CyberSafe Foundation. And you can also subscribe and watch some of the videos and see how they are impacting lives. Okay? So with that, I come to the end of this video. Now, like I said, there are, a huge number of Black cybersecurity talents out there. but I wanted this video to be as short as possible, and in my opinion, these are people, these few are people I really, really admire, who I feel they are really doing amazing work, giving back to the community. Okay? So, I would want you guys to go there, support their channels, and, you definitely learn a thing or two. Okay? So, with that, I come to the end of the video. Thank you guys.